Trying to get him to. Oh.
Kill John Lennon! Kill John!
Hey, I used to love cats until I met this little fucker.
In here. Oh, it's just your demise.
Whack!
Dang, he's growing. Oh, nuh-uh.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
If you touch that again, I shall kill you right now. Okay. Do not touch this. This is a no touching zone.
Good. Well then...
Oh my God! I can't believe you reached across like that again. I can't even believe it. Don't cross this line with your hand.
I don't know what drugs you took this morning, but this is unacceptable behavior. Do you hear me? Kitten? Do you hear me? Kitten, listen.
It is bedtime. Let's go.
Wakey, 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 it's time for school. Come on. Wake up, it's time for school. Come on, man.
This is me as a potato, but look at my cat is a potato.
Excuse me. What are you doing? Oh no.
You gotta lay it down. You're a jerk. You're ruining my...
Yavet!
Grounded. Bad. Right. Grounded.
He was biting too hard, so I hissed at him.
Baby, where's mommy? Where is she? Oh my God, where is mommy? Oh my God, where's mommy? Oh my God. Oh my God, baby, where's mommy? Where is she? Oh my God. Oh my God, baby. Find her. Right now. Find her, sniff her out. Get her. Where is she? Oh my God. Find her, baby. Find her. Baby, you must find her. Oh my God. Where is mommy? Where's mommy? Where is she? Oh my God. Where's mommy? Oh my God. Where is she? Oh my God. Baby, where's mommy? Oh my God, where the fuck is mommy at? Oh my God. Get off the couch, baby. Where's mommy? She's on the table. Come on, where's she? Are you mad?
wasn't sweet at all.
Cẳng lên trời ra, cái cẳng lú ra đây mà tưởng trốn vậy kỹ à. Cái chân mày đang chơi cái mặt giấu mất tiêu rồi. Trời, có ai thấy gì đâu, trốn đâu thấy không?
Fast as fluff, boy. Still fast as fluff, boy.
Do you need something? Hey.
What's wrong? What's wrong? Is Kara holding you and you don't like it? Give her a kiss, Kara.
You're crazy.
Kara, she's telling you to put her down.
Hey.
So this is my cat. His name is... Really? Really?
Django.
This is when you just say his name and he gags. He didn't even smell it.
You're getting weirder.
Just see if he'd even...
You wanna try some rice? Was that good, buddy? Was that good?
She will solve and she just did you know.
Dame un Francisco
Rowdy! Rowdy! Stay.
За мной, зеленая. Она закрыта для посетителей, там...
Shazam, open up.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Are you okay?
Oh my... excuse me, sir.
No.